Maharaja Pradyot Bikram Manikya Debbarma visited the grieving families of Upendra Debbarma and Sumati Debbarma on Saturday. The two tragically lost their lives in a vehicular accident on April 9 while returning from a party election campaign. Bubagra gave assurance that he would stand by the family. Accompanying the royal sign were Minister Brisaketu Debbarma and E.M. Ravindra Debbarma. Delegation met with the family members to offer condolences and assess immediate needs following the sudden loss of the two party supporters. During the visit, Bubagra spent time speaking with the children of the deceased, providing personal assurance that the party and the royal house would stand by them. We will ensure the education of the children is fully supported. The family will not be left to face this hardship alone, Bubagra stated, emphasizing a long-term commitment to the welfare.
नहीं, ये जो एक्सीडेंट हुआ है, यहाँ में देहांत हुआ है, दूसरे घर में भी मैं गया हूँ, यहाँ में भी तो ये हम लोगों का भी जिम्मेवारी होता है कि इनका बच्चा का शिक्षा, इनका भविष्य में क्या हम कर सकते हैं वो करेंगे। और ये जो श्राद्ध में यहाँ में श्राद्ध है उसके लिए भी क्या हेल्प करने के लिए मैं आया हूँ। मैंने सबसे बात किया है, बहुत ख़राब लगता है और इसमें मैं जो भी करूँ काफ़ी नहीं होगा, क्योंकि जब कोई का मृत्यु होता तो उसको तो वापस ला नहीं सकते, लेकिन परिवार के संग हमको खड़ा रहना चाहिए। एंड आई अपील टू एवरीवन टू डू दिस।
The leadership promised holistic support to the bereaved family by all means, including financial aid and logistical help to navigate the aftermath of the tragedy. The incident has cast a somber shadow over the ongoing campaign trail, with party workers mourning the loss of their dedicated colleagues. Reported by Boyer from Debbarma, Chini, Khorang.